Yes, welcome back to English class. Dear student, hope you all are safe and fine at your home. Yes, I am your English teacher. Today we are going to learn a new poem. Name of the poem is The Swing. Yes, what is the name of the poem? The Swing. So which is written by Robert Louis Stevenson. Yes, he is a poet who written this sweet and very beautiful poem. Yes. So what is the poem? Yes, it is related about swing. Yes. So dear students, you just tell me, have you been into the garden or park? Yes. So what you observe in the park? Yes. Sometimes you are going with your ma'am, sometimes you are going with your parents to the park. So in the park, in the garden, what things or which things you can observe there? Yes, yes, very good. Swing, seesaw, then merry-go-round. Different things you can observe there. You can enjoy by playing it. So from that, one of is the swing. Yes. Yes, when you are singing, see here, this poem is about the swing. So, you tell me, when you are taking or when you are enjoying on the ride of this swing, how do you feel? So, this poem, what you have to do? Just close your eyes and just memorize it. When you are sitting on the swing, how do you feel? How do you enjoy? What you can see from there? Yes? When swing goes up, how do you feel? Yes, it is very what? Pleasantable movement. You see? So here Robert, this man, this poet, he written this poem when he was a child. So he explained what movements he observe there, or what movements or which movements he enjoyed on the swing. So you also, let's see, just see here, I'll write here and I will explain you. See here, small picture is there, one boy is there, he is enjoying by sitting on the swing. Yes, do you like to swing? Yes, too much. Here you also just think that when you are sitting on the swing, which things you can observe? How do you feel? Which feeling you can? Yes, enjoy. See here. I'll read here. How do you like to go up in a swing? Swing, how it will go? It will go like up. Yes, it will go up. So how do you feel when swing goes up? Yes, it is very means different now. You are thinking something. Yes, up in the air so blue. So when it goes up from upside, what you can see? You feel like that you are going on the sky. So do you like, you feel the blue? Yes, because in the sky when you go up, you can see, what you can see? All the side in the sky, you can see the blue color. So here, see, up in the air is so blue. So what do you thinking? If you go up, it is a blue. You are thinking that all air is a blue. Yes, see. Oh, I do think it the pleasant or pleasantest thing ever a child can do. See, oh, I do think it is or it the pleasantest thing ever a child can do. See, ever a child can do. So this poet, what he is saying? He is thinking that, what he is thinking? This is a very pleasantable moment. Means what? Most enjoyable moment. When swing goes off, what is the meaning? Most pleasantest, most enjoyable thing. So, this poet is thinking that when I am sitting on the swing, yes, when it goes up, I feel that it is very sweet moment. It is very or most enjoyable moment that I observe or I can feel. Even ever a child can do. Ever a child means every child can enjoy. Yes, when it goes up, you can feel something in your stomach. Yes, in the stomach you can feel something like a goody. You are feeling that something is going inside your stomach when you go too much up or high into swing. Next, see, once again I will read. How do you like to go up in a swing? Up in the air so blue. Oh, I do think it the pleasantest thing ever a child can do. Yes, up in the air and over the fall till I can see so wide. River and trees and cattle and all over the countryside. Yes, see, up in the air over the fall. We see over the wall. When I goes up into, see, on the swing, when I goes up and up from upside, I can see too much. Feel like that it is too much wide. And see, up in the air and over the wall. So when I am going up into the air, I over to the wall. See, walls also looking like small. We can go up the wall and till I can see so wide. Till from that I can see all so wide. And river and trees and cattle and all. Even I can see from upside rivers, even trees, even cattle. Cattle means animals. Yes, so I can see cattle, even all I can see from the upside or from the very high side. See, over the countryside, even over the countryside. Cattle means what here? Cattle means cows and bulls. Cows and bulls. I can see cows and bulls from upside. You can see very small. You can see from upside. If you observe on the swing, so you can see they all are looking very small. Even river also you can see it will look like very small. So all cattle can see from upside over the countryside. Countryside means lands for the or from city lands. Land or cities. From the countryside means what's here? When we go up, we can see all the area. We can see all the lands very small. Yes, see here. Till I look down on the garden green, down on the roof so brown. Up in the air I go flying again, up in the air and down. See what poet is saying that. Till I look down on the garden green. See, when I go up, I can see river, trees, cattle, even countryside I can see. But when I look down from upside, I can see all the garden is green. Even down on the roof so brown. And when I came back down, I can see all the roof of the house or houses are totally brown. Up in the air I go flying again. See, again I am going, I am feeling that I am flying again. And up in the air and down. See, and up in the air and again I came down. Again I will go up, I can see all those things. Again I came down, I feel very happy. Yes, so this is a poem about the swing. Yes, you also enjoying? Yes, so this poet, he also enjoying a lot when he is sitting on the swing. So, here what he is doing? Once again I will read. How do you like to go up in a swing, up in the air so blue? Oh, I do think it is the pleasantest thing ever a child can do. Up in the air and over the wall till I can see so wide. rivers and trees and cattle and all over the countryside. Till I looked down on the garden green, down on the roof so brown, up in the air I go flying again, up in the air and down. So, very nice poem it is. Yes, hope you all understood. So, it is very enjoyable things. What poet enjoyed? He written his experience. Yes, how he feel when he sit on the swing. When he enjoy by playing swing. Yes, so what he enjoy, what he can think. He written all those things what he observed in this poem. Yes, hope you also are enjoying same, but you never, some of you are not thinking too much about it. So, once again, where will you sit on the swing? Just remember this poem, just close your eye, remember this poem and try to observe those things which poet that Robert Louis told in this poem, The Swing. Yes, dear student? Yes, very good. So, I think you understood this poem very well. Yes, read this poem. Watch this video 2 to 3 times and read this poem and even write down the difficult words with its meaning. So, what we learned today? Pleasantest. Pleasantest means what? Most enjoyable. Most enjoyable. Even cattle. Cattle means what? Cows and bulls. Even countryside. Countryside means what? You can see here, see, lands far from cities or towns usually used for farming. Land, see, lands, yes, used for what? Used for farming. So, lands from the countryside, small or whatever it is, they use for the farm. So you can see from the swing. So these new words are there. Write down in your notebook with its meaning. Yes, thank you. Have a nice day. Yes, keep watching.